So yan guys, ang normal na araw. At yan, magkakasama kami lahat ngayon. Day off ni Mrs., day off ko. At syempre walang pasok yung mga bata. So eto, maggagala muna tayo sa pinakamagandang North Platte. Ayan. Ayan. So eto, patuloy pa rin yung pagtitraining ni Miss sa pagdadrive. So gusto ko araw-araw mag-drive siya kahit walang pasok, para masanay siya mag-drive. What can you say, kids? Ayan. So ayan, medyo bumubuti naman yung pagdadrive ni Miss ngayon. Nagkakaroon na siya ng confidence. Yan ang gusto ko bago siya mag-test. Siyempre, para sa kanya din naman yun, pag-drive niya araw-araw para iwas disgrasya. Yan. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa ano mo tayo? Ace Hardware. Bibili tayo ng filter nung aircon tsaka heater. Yung kailangan yun eh. Baka ma-check kasi nung landlord natin na medyo marami na. Kailangan natin palitan. Alright. Sige lang, diretso lang. Andahan lang. Liko-liko lang. Oh, mali ka na doon. Mali ka doon. Oo. Oh, tingnan mo?
Sorry. Ubusin na ako.
Oo, ubusin na ka talaga.
Isip na yun.
Yan, slow mo lang. Oh, tsaka ka lumigo ngayon. Oh, very good. Ganyan lang. Oh, sarado yung daan.
Pizza Ranch!
Oh.
Picharans ka dyan.
Pag ka dito.
Hindi ko
Ano
alam.
nandito? Parking yan eh.
Saan tayo pupunta ba?
Ano dito?
Pizza Ranch!
Sira doon daan pa eh.
Dito nga.
I found pizza.
Hindi sarado.
Saan? Wait lang pa, hindi ko alam.
Parking to be.
Ngayon, hindi ko alam.
Hindi daan dyan, parking yan.
Kaya nga saglit na pwede mag-park muna ba?
Party there.
Ito,
Sabi ka na sabi ng parking, hindi ko alam saan dadaan eh.
ganito yung sitwasyon namin pagka nagtuturuan tayo mag-drive. So, yung tinuturuan mo, siya pa yung galit. Ito, na-experience yung baka... Na-experience yung ba ito, mga katropa, yung mga tinuturuan natin asawa.
Nandun yung mga Harley Quinn boys.
Harley boys? So, lusubin natin. Nakasarado po yung daan dito. Nandito yung mga... yung mga lumang sasakyan, guys.
Ayaw nga. Saan ba yung sa hardware?
Ayun o. Ayun yung sa hardware o.
Saan tayo magpapark dito na?
Ha?
Saan tayo magpapark?
Oo, dyan. Sige, lumigo ka dyan.
Visit na yun.
Yan guys, ganito po talaga yung sitwasyon. Kaya babaan na po yung pasensya sa pagtuturo. Kahit na sila pa yung galit.
Yung mga ano yan, mga veterano yan ata.
Ang daming nakaano dito ng mga old cars oh. Tsaka mga ano.
May bayad ba? May interest
Puntahan
ba?
natin. Monster truck!
Dito, there's a
Monster car! Wow!
Oh, there is! Over there!
Yeah! Parking, sige diretso ka, parking natin dito ba? Yan oh, pagkatapos ng pulang sasakyan dito, kanan.
Diyan o.
Oh, yan, parking niya.
May favorite spot. Gilid.
Favorite spot. Yan. So,
I don't
yan.
know how to drive.
Malapit na po siya lumabas sa dashboard. Alright, thank you Lord, nakarating tayo. Nandito na tayo.
Huyo ka ngayon.
Bo, tingnan mo. Mayabang basahan. May mga car shows dito.
Oh my God, wait ka.
Hindi namin na-expect to. So ito yung pupuntahan nating Ace Hardware. Yan. Tapos merong car show dito na ano, mga old cars oh. Hello. Hi sir. Yun. Alright.
Ako na kita na litrato kasama ng malalaking tao.
Oo. Oh. Yeah. Ganda ng sasakyan na to oh. Yun oh. Wow. Wow.
Lucas, come here.
Mga old cars.
Yeah, I look like one of your race cars.
Where's my race car?
Yeah, look.
Grabe oh, lilinis pa ng mga ano, alagang alaga.
Oh, you go sit down. I'll go there.
That one is... Oh, that one is...
Ito yung Chevrolet oh. Wow.
Why are you using...
Look at this one.
No, like Hot Wheels. Yeah, it's Hot Wheels.
Miss na
It's
po.
showing the machine inside. Yeah.
Ayan o. May mga pang ano to eh, yung kay Nicolas Cage. Ano ba yung parang bungo siya? Ayan, ang gaganda oh.
Papa,
Ang ganda ng mga motor.
Papa, one of these cars will look like my race car.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this car, oh. It's a very old car. This is a very old car. Yeah, look. That's the very old car. Yeah.
This is when the cars were invented.
Look.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. Look at this car. Yeah. Ford ba to? Oo. Oo nga, Ford siya. Diba? Para siyang karesa lang, no?
Ford made it. And it said that
Ba?
they have Ford Company.
Hi, sir.
They say
Ito, mga kaibigan, no? Isa pang magandang sasakyan nandito, nakapark din. Ayan, no? Mukhang Pilipino may-ari nito.
that's our car.
Oh. Ayan, tatak Pilipino. Plate number. Ayan, mukhang old car na rin siya.
I got to take a dog.
Alright. Alright. Nandito naman tayo ngayon. Pupunta na tayo sa talagang pupuntahan natin.
Hold mom hands, do not run.
Hanap tayo ng filter.
Do you help with anything?
Oh, I'm looking for the filter.
An air filter?
Yeah, it's like the 18 by 18.
Over here on this one. 15 by 18.
Yeah.
Where's an 18 by 18?
Is this one or like here? I guess. Huh?
Yeah, I think that's the
Yeah,
one.
yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ako. Tara.
Sige na.
Buti may tumulong sa atin. Ito dito. And guys. Tapos na tayo sa RH Hardware. You know, sa pang old car yun, no? Ganda, no? Wait, there's a car. Thank you. Punong-puno po ng sticker yung sa akin ni Miss na new driver caution. Ayan, meron sa gilid. At dito na sa likod, new driver. Ayan. Ayan. First time ka dumaan sa tulay, no? What's the feeling?
May stop sign ba dyan?
Wala, diretso yan. Doon yung traffic light, oh.
Mabilis eh. Mabilis naman ko.
Natural, pababa.
Hindi nga ako nag-gas.
Pababa ka, sir. Malaking tulong tong mirror dashcam niya. So, kitang-kita lahat yung likod. Ayan, oh. Kitang-kita na lahat yung likod.
Saan tayo ko?
Doon pa. Ayan, oh, may nakikita akong araw doon, oh. Araw.
Saan araw ka?
Ayan, pag sa mga plug. Sa mga plug, oh, yun eh, no. Ayan. Ayan.
Maganda ng mga tao sa likod ko.
Oh.
Kala ko pala Sabado ngayon, matatawin pa rin tao.
Wala nga eh. Oh, slow down. Slow down.
I forgot about Philippines.
Ayan.
It's the flags of the states, ha?
Yan yung mga flag ng mga states. US states. Pero may UK sa gitna.
Bakit may upis sa gitna?
Ewan ko. Diba?
States yan eh, alam ko eh. Ayun, Oklahoma.
It's Italy, the
Ano
one
yan?
green.
North
Kayang-kaya mo na dito. Ang paborito naming park is Cody Park.
I saw that.
Ayun, so nandito tayo sa Cody Park at paglalaroin lang natin yung mga bata dito. That's alright, Micah.
Oh, again, again.
Yan. Laro ng mga bata rito. Umulan kasi kagabi kaya medyo may mga tubig-tubig ngayon dito. Ang lakas ng ulan kaninang madaling araw pala. Sige na, play na.
Papa, this is going to fall down.
No, you can do it, Lucas. Hold.
Scared.
You can do it.
I have
That's a
this.
challenge.
I have this in my school, so I'm not scared.
Oh, you hold here. Here. You hold here. Oh, now you move the other one. Oh, no,
I do
your
it.
hands first.
I don't want to.
Oh, okay, you don't want it. You're scared. Okay.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
I did it.
job.
Yeah.
Good job.
Did you see that?
Let's go, guys. Micah, Lucas,
Spiders.
let's go. Let's go to the train. Come on, let's check the train. Come on. We will come back.
Bye-bye. You'll come back.
Yun guys, kung matatandaan nyo yung vlog natin ha. Bagay, lagi naman tayo nagpa-vlog dito. Kaya lagi naman ako dito sa Cody Park. Dito yung snow no, nag-i-slide kami. Ayan, dito na nag-i-slide. Yan o.
This is where we slide in the winter.
Yeah. Dito. Yan,
But
nakita
it
tayo.
was not working because I keep falling down.
Yan, tingnan mo naman oh. Napakaganda ng nature. Snow, tapos biglang masisibol na ganito kaganda mga damo. Ayan o. Merong train dun, hindi pa namin napasukan yan, napuntahan eh. Ayan o. Ganda ng kalikasan. Diba? Pakaganda boy. Sulitin natin yung summer. Ganito ang panahon dahil pagka winter na naman, always bahay na naman tayo. 1, 2, 3. Can do it, Lucas. Can do it. Woo! Woo! Let's go. Let's go. I think we can go there. It's open. So,
America!
America? Oh, yan oh. Parang ngayon lang binuksan to, di ba? Hindi naman tayo nakabukas to eh. No?
Baka.
Oh. So, ang tagal na namin dito sa North Platte. Dalas kami dito sa Cody Park. Ngayon na kami makakapasok dito. Ayan. Ang ganda ng train, no? Laki. Grabe, solid na solid. You want to go up?
Yeah.
Is it allowed there?
Yeah, they went out.
Oh, pwede tayo umakyat. Pwede pa lang umakyat. First time natin makakasakay dito. Wow. Wow.
What's in there?
Nasa loob niya.
Wow! Yung driver ng train. Upuan ng driver ng train.
Ayun, no? Ilang taon na kaya to, no? So, dito yung ano niya. Dito pa nilalagay ba yung ano? Parang charcoal or something. Yung napapanood ko sa Princess Sarah, yung...
Ah, okay.
Don't touch it.
Come here.
Don't touch it.
Yeah. Wow. That's awesome. Nice. Let's go to the other side.
Look up here, so fun.
Really? What's in there? Wow. Ayun guys, oh. So ito, train, bullet train. Wow. Oh, 1969. Pala Pacific ko yun. 1969. Oh, that's cool.
No.
Look at this rail bike. Real bike to. Eh, real bike. Oh.
Papa, look. Mama,
That's the uniform before.
they wear this. They wear
Yeah, they were that one, the one driving the train. See?
But we have keys.
Wow, that's so cool.
Where did they found that? Where did they found that?
Diba? Naka ano tayo ngayon sa museum. Train museum.
But where did they find all of this?
There.
Mailbag.
Oh,
Where did they find all of this?
it's in here, Micah.
Mailbag.
Wow, ito yung deliver ng mga letters, mails. They do this thing, Micah. Because in before there's no cell phone or computer. So, yeah. This one.
Look how they work.
Really.
That would be you in one day. Yeah, tell me.
Wow, that's very
Train.
ganda, no? Diba, tagal na natin sa Northpet, ngayon ka nakapasal dito.
Oh, that's the toilet. Are you
Diba, ang ganda?
Be careful.
That's the toilet they have.
Hindi pala naka-record, no? Ganda! Na-amaze ako. Gusto mo na balikan natin tong mga sinaunang panahon na ginamit nila na mga ano, di ba?
Look, Michael, look at their tea.
Di ba, pwede silang matulog dito sa taas, oh. Oh. Kaya lang may napansin lang ako.
Baho, banghe.
May mapanghe. Mapanghe yung ano. Oo, panghe. Wala siya CR, no?
Ayun na siya, nakita ka ni Michael eh.
Ah, may CR doon? May CR din pala siya. Tingnan mo to, oh.
Mami, pantaramos.
Aqua Plus yan.
Ako flash.
Aqua Plus. Ito,
Lucas, no.
para namang ano.
Kettle.
Ito, kettle. Para siyang Arnola ba?
It's
It's so antique.
what?
It's so old, Lucas. Even, this is,
1940s.
no, 1940s.
Huh, what?
1892s nga eh.
18 ba to? Oo nga, no?
Can I sit down?
1892. July 5. 1892.
Close it.
Let's go. On the other side. There's more on the other side.
I cannot believe they bring
This
this.
is older than,
Our grandparents.
yes.
Our old grandparents. Oh, yeah, we can go inside another. Right? Let's go to the other side. United States Mail. Ano pala to? United States Mail. Railway Falls. Let's go. Let's go here.
Fire it up, blow the whistle.
Hi. Oh,
Those are secret.
You guys know you want to by the toilet?
look at this. Yeah. Come here.
What happened?
Dito yung controller niya, pinaka-head niya, no? Oh.
It's a water rabbit, but there's now a twin.
How would you like to use
Oh, come here on the other side.
Let's go to the other side, Lucas.
Come here. Oh, ikot pa tayo dun, be.
I was asking my mom. She said,
Huh? You go this way. That one? Oh, here. Come here, guys. Come here. I don't know. It's like I'm here. Oh.
How are ya? Welcome. Hello.
Hi.
No, you can get in there. That's fine. You get. That's a nice picture.
Wow, yeah. Brother.
You get in there. It doesn't steer right. Somebody got a little aggressive with the steering wheel, but it does. It's a nice picture, especially with a big smile.
Yeah, smile.
There you go. Looking good.
You want to add it? No. This is the post office before.
Wow. Wow. Post office to dati, no?
train. Yung nagre-deliver.
Yeah.
So, look at this train.
Ito teletype oh. Grabe mga karunong panahon oh. Mga unang panahon yan eh. Yan oh. Let's go guys.
You like it, Dad?
Yeah, that's a nice train. You'd be an engineer. Drive the train. There you go. It just doesn't steer right, that's all. But it. There you go.
Sir, when did they open this?
This was in 1968 with the first with that locomotive.
Oh.
And then this one was in 1985 when they added that one. And this building came in the mid 70s.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
So amazing.
Yeah, there was 105 of those locomotives built, and there's only 2 of them left in the world. So we're lucky.
Wow.
We're lucky to have one.
Where's the other one, sir?
The other one is in a place in Silvis, Illinois. It's being restored by a guy that is paying to have it all redone, and it's tore down, and 2-year project to put it back on the rails. So we're excited to have that. Hopefully it'll be out running someplace where we can see it.
Is it every day open, sir, here?
No, just in the from May.
From May.
Till September.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Because we always
Labor Day.
we always come here in Côte d'Ivoire. It's the first time we see this open.
Oh, well, good. I'm glad you made
Yeah.
it for that. Yeah.
That's amazing.
It's open every day through the summertime, for that. So, yeah. Till like I say, till it's September, May 1st till the end of September.
I will tell my friend.
Yeah. You're welcome to go and look at all of it. There's all kinds of
Thank you
stuff
so
inside
much.
of them.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Thank
you,
you.
sir. Yeah.
I'm glad you came. I'm
sir.
glad we were open when you came by.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
More ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
No ice cream. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
See ya.
Bye.
I want ice cream.
Look at them. They are swimming in the canal, like in the Philippines.
Okay.
Oh, see? Not only Filipino doing that.
Americans do.
Everyone. See, there are Americans. They are swimming in the canal, but that's not like canal in the Philippines.
What about that canal? That is a clean canal.
Filipino. Papa, I'm not going. Can I swim in there? My dress will be wet.
Yeah, don't go there.
Then I'll change.
Yeah. Okay, Mama, let's go to the what they call it, like kakantid. Let's buy some ice cream for them. Yeah. Ayun guys, nandito na tayo.
Mama.
So ang oras ngayon is 12:26 na ng tanghali. Ayan. Sabado ngayon at medyo maraming tao ngayon dito sa park at nakabukas yung mga rides. Ayan. Nakabukas din yung canteen. Bibili daw sila ng ice cream. Ayan. Ayan, kadalasan ng nag-celebrate ng mga party dito rin sa mga park. Nandito tayo sa order tayo ng ice cream daw.
I want chocolate and vanilla.
Mama.
Size. For the medium size to both chocolate and banana. So the good boy. Oh, good job, baby. Oh, you
Good job, good job.
Good job. You, my God, I don't know what to. It's a milkshake. It's not an ice cream, and it's orange flavor.
Okay.
But it's a beautiful. Mine is last.
Alright, that's my ice cream. Where's my ice cream?
Ewan ko ba't hindi nag-cone yan?
Yun!
Mine is last.
Yummy.
Mmm!
Sarap lang.
I like it, guys.
Chocolate.
I got red.
Pagdaan tayo ng puno, guys. Malilim. Medyo mainit kasi panahon ngayon. Mmm!
Moika, that's yours now?
What did you order, Micah? Is it good?
You order milk.
Kaartehan.
Oo.
Tik na yan.
I cannot drink it. It's milk. It's ice cream. I told you. You didn't listen.
Wow, Dasani. $3.
Ang mahal ng tubig dito guys. Gano? $3 to?
Mahal ah. Tik na yan. It's
Ano pa nga to? Orange?
sherbet.
Sherbet.
More like a sherbet.
I told you.
Let your brother taste.
Wow.
Papa,
With
look.
whipped cream.
Papa, look. Mom. Treasure, water.
Ah, taste.
It's orange sherbet.
A drink to me.
Chill like this.
Yan guys. Yan o. Tamang
Under
chill.
the ipil-ipil tree, okay?
Tamang chill lang kami dito. Hindi, Christmas tree yan. Under the Christmas tree.
It's not.
Yan.
In the cone now.
Oh yeah.
We are enjoying the moment.
I'm in the cone.
Hindi namin nagawa sa dito.
I'm not in the cone.
Puro ka work eh. Work is life.
Work is life.
Yeah. Ito, nagkaroon tayo ng panahon para mamasyal-masyal. Kasi mo, malilibot na lang ito ng North Platte. Malit lang takas ng North Platte.
Oo nga, nabi.
Oh, berry yan oh. Kinakain yan be. Ito, meron palang ganito
Malay
dito.
mo, hindi pala yan ano na berry. Huwag mo kainin ha.
Berry yan. Ayan. Ayun oh.
Berry na pala huwag mo kainin.
Kamukha nung...
Lucas, wait na mama.
Oh. Berry yan.
Huwag mo kainin, baka bawal
Oh.
yung mangitas. Papa, huwag mo kainin, utang na loob pa.
Kinakain to. Kinakain to. Mulberry to. Mulberry. Hindi nila alam to be. Hindi nila alam dito to. Kinakain to.
Alam mo na yan.
Ano?
Na yan pa ha. Baka laso yan pa.
Anong lason? Malbir. Tamis.
Huwag na, ayok.
I have blood on me.
Oh.
Boy, sa tissue, yun lang sa tissue, my
Ano
God.
palang gano'n dito?
Saka pagkita tayo na pagkakuha ka.
Hindi yan. Napakain yan nila.
I got some blood on me.
Ang dami oh.
I'm going to squeeze this grape.
Ang daming bunga. Guys. Ang daming bunga. Dami. Sa amin to, wala nang bunga to.
Looks like I have blood. I'm serious.
Maasim.
What the heck? You didn't wash that. Stop eating that.
Sarap guys.
I'm not.
Medyo mangasim-ngasim. It's yummy.
It's not. It's dirty, you stinky boy. It's dirty. It's dirty, stinky boy. Can I have one?
Taste it.
Mm,
You want to taste it?
no.
Mm.
I'm just going to have one.
No. Don't taste it. You can taste it.
Why that?
And guys, paalis na kami sa Odig Park at pupunta tayo ng Walmart. Sulitin natin yung mahal natin tubig. Ano, ganda pa ng mga may usa doon oh. Usa at saka mga pato. Naliligo.
My brother got the world's strongest sword.
Ayan sila.
Oh, you cannot work on that.
May nag-workout pa dun. Ano yung draining?
Saan? Yung guys, andito tayo sa Walmart. Thank you Lord, nakapag-drive ng mga si Mrs. Ayan. Let's go. Let's go.
Mommy,
Let's go guys.
look on me what?
Okay.
Parking mo. Lapit-lapit. Yun guys, nandito tayo sa Walmart. At bibili lang tayo ng konti pangangailangan natin dito. Pangangailangan talaga. Baon-baon.
Bread.
Ang makalaki ng tinapay dito. Kanto $1. Masarap to ha.
On your way.
Ah, yes, alright, that's alright. Very good, very good. So, saan bumili ng corn?
This.
Oh, yes, select corn.
One.
Select corn.
To open it.
Yeah. Press na press yung corn, no? Eh? Like this, oh, like this. Okay, I will show you. I will show it to you. Okay.
Yes.
Here, in the middle.
Why we need to open it?
Mura na lang ng corn na yan, be. 33. Ha?
Sa morning.
Oo.
Pwede na yan na tapos makita namin siya.
Oo. Tiga 33 cents each. Ito. Ito yung pinaka, ano nila, Asian store. Asian, aisle.
Seafood.
Ito. Ito masarap to.
Papa have this. Papa have this.
It's very spicy that one, man.
We got
Mga
the
ano?
damn noodles.
Babawunin natin to sa ano.
Found the damn noodles.
Travel natin, guys. Abangan nyo ang travel natin sa Kansas, Bronson. Limay mo na.
Oh, Mama, you're missing.
Sorry.
That's it. Yung guys, gana tayo ng Walmart. Ayan, at yung mga binili namin na to, mga babaunin namin to papuntang Kansas saka Bronson. Travel tayo, mga ilang araw din yun. So para sa mga bata, para makapasyal naman tayo. Ayan lahat. Ayan. Bakayin na lang yung vlog namin. At masaya to. Marami tayong magiging adventure na bago. Pero kung matatalanda. Sige ba? Sige na, tama na yan. Diretso ka na.
Right.
Okay lang yan. Yun guys, drive safe. Nandito tayo sa bahay.
Ito ko ng baon ko para bukas. Ano bang helas ka mo?
Ha? Wala. Yun guys, nandito tayo sa bahay. At ilalagay na natin itong nabili natin sa Ace Hardware na to na filter. Ayan. So ayan. Ilalagay natin dito, ilalagay ito. Ayan. Ito yung sa heater, tsaka aircon na rin. Ayan. Ito yung nilagay ko nung ano, dun ko lang siya binili sa Ace Hardware. So ilang ano na rin to, napakadumi na oh. Nilagay ko to nung ano pa, base ang taon na pala to. Mahigit. Yun o. Kumpara dito, tumi na. Ayan, dito yan. Madali lang naman install to eh. Ayan, ganito lang. Simple. Diba? Guys, hanggang dito lang. See you in our next vlog. Have a good one.